Let's start. Today we will see how to disable the screenshot function of a mobile device via a Flutter Android app. First, we need to integrate the no screenshot package. To do that, open the pubspec.yaml file. And write this line of code under the dependencies section. And click this pub-get button. Let the operation be complete. Now the no screenshot package has been installed in our app. Let's look at the main.dart file. These are the imports. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called MyApp. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we create an instance of the no screenshot class. Then, we call the init function. This function gets called as soon as the app launches on the mobile device. Here, we call the disable screenshot function. This is the disable screenshot function. Here, we call the no screenshot.screenshotOff function. This function disables the screenshot taking ability of the mobile device until this app is in the foreground. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a text widget, where we simply show some text. Now, let's run the app. I have run the app on the mobile device, but because we have disabled its screenshot taking capacity, the video recorder cannot even record the app's user interface. So a black screen is getting recorded as of now. Now, I will click the screenshot button from the settings menu. And there you go, the app is not letting the mobile device take a screenshot. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how you can disable screenshot functionality of a mobile device using a Flutter Android app. Thank you.